20 minutes,
You
girl.
did. You already shopped, bought, and left. Hello. I'm grubby. I'm in my cleaning clothes. Very sorry. So, I want to see your goodies.
You want to see my goodies?
I do.
Okay. Okay.
And I'm sorry I didn't recognize your car like I didn't recognize you last week.
I know, that's really pathetic.
I'm getting old.
I got that.
Oh, I like that.
Isn't that nice?
I have seen that in there before.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
I like that.
Probably been sitting there forever, and I just saw it and needed to have it.
Well, you know what? Sometimes there's so much stuff that you can't find it. And
I know it. I know. Look,
purchase number 1.
I know. Purchase number 1. Yep. And so, aren't you going to ask what I'm going to do with that?
Oh, what are you going to do with that, Ann?
I'm going to hang that by my fireplace. And
which one?
I'm gonna. Oh, the one in the front room. You wait till you see what I did in the front room. Oh my gosh!
Is that the
living
room with the TV?
The drawing room, the room in the front of the house, in the Cape part, right off of the tavern, but not the TV room.
Oh yes. Okay.
So
yeah.
I'm going to put that on the wall by the fireplace. I'm going to put cloaks and stuff on it to make it look like people came in out of the cold into the tavern.
Oh, cool.
And their stuff is
I like
that's
that.
What I'm going to
Very
do.
nice.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
That's the first thing I'm going to do.
That thought process is moving.
Here I am taping our little visit. It's a little crazy, but I wanted everyone to see you.
Well, I figured that, so I'm like, at least I need to put on a little mascara.
I just wanted people to see.
I don't want to look half asleep.
So peek in there.
All right.
Okay.
I have to see. Oh, you got some redware.
I got some redware.
Oh, very nice.
I got redware.
Yeah. I don't want to take the wrapper off of that
because I didn't
one.
have any redware.
Okay.
And I was like, I need a little bit of redware, and I thought, well, I'll get it here.
Oh, that's
it's
nice.
secondhand. It's not like.
So you got
brand new.
redware and then the wrap.
That's all.
And that's what you beat people up for.
Yes, which I'm sure they don't even want. They're probably like, I don't want that. I want a snowman.
Excuse me, I want that. No, well, that's it. I'm thinking I'm going to find all Christmas stuff, but that's good because then you can use that all year.
Well, that's what I'm trying to do. Like, be practical about it. And I did get a
You're being a
year,
practical minimalist.
I'm trying, although my decorating is not minimalist for Christmas. I mean,
but you can't decorate minimalist.
No, but it's easier to decorate for Christmas when you've minimalized your house.
True.
Because you don't have all that stuff to put away.
Oh, you should have seen me last week when I just, again, Tuesday morning went, I'm going to put some of my stuff away, which turned into, I'm going to pull out all my Christmas stuff. And I had 3 houses to clean that day. So, like, what am I doing to myself?
Yeah.
So I just kind of pulled all the stuff out. I thought it was semi-organized until 2.5 hours into it.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't even know where to put half this stuff. But the saving grace was Lydia, my niece, the day before had messaged me with last year's Christmas video and said, when is Ann going to come and do your video? Are you going to do a video with Ann again for Christmas? I said, yeah. So I could watch last year's video and kind of figure out what I did with the stuff.
You're kidding.
So then I went home and I put it there's some difference.
Yeah,
But I mean, because there's always different stuff.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so I used your video for
You
last
used my
year
video for your
to
own
decorate
reference.
this year. Well, I was kind of going bananas because I have this whole pile of stuff on my floor and I'm like, I don't know what to do with that or that or that.
Yeah.
And then I watched a video and I'm like, well, that's where I put that. So,
yeah.
So it was perfect.
So my video of your house inspired you and you're decorating this year.
Yeah. Basically. So
inspired by your own
If you guys
house.
send in videos of your own house and you're confused next year on how to decorate, just watch last year's video and you'll see it again. That's what I did. I was like, I was so frustrated because I was cleaning my first house and my head was not into cleaning that day. It was into decorating.
Yeah.
So I'm like, and it was in between, I drive right by to go, so I stopped in between that and my second house and rearranged everything and got it all, because just everything needs to be organized. I'm weird like that. Everything needs to be in its place.
Oh, no, that's a wonderful trait, and it keeps you sane.
Well,
I mean, no, but I'm thinking about this.
Me, who couldn't recognize you Sunday, I'm questioning where the sanity in my life
there was
is going.
a little non-sanity there. And they say that you don't recognize people out of context, but you were actually in my neighborhood.
But you, in my defense, had on big glasses and a mask.
Well, okay.
And stood and just stared at me like this. Like if you had said, "Oh, cousin," I would have known. And I'm like, this lady with the glasses and mask is staring at me. And I think it's my cousin, but I'm not sure.
That was so funny.
Oh, she just kind of stood there and I went, hello. And I'm like, I thought that was you.
Yeah. And then your friend Beth is like, you know everybody.
Oh.
And I thought, yeah, but this person I am family. I am more than just to know everybody.
This is true. I do get that all the time. You know everywhere we go. You're going to know somebody here. we're going to wait and see how long it takes for you to see someone here you know. And then I'll say, I'm not going to know anybody here. And then I'll no. And I'm like, oh, crap.
I know. You always do. I know.
But
I know this about you. But
I've even gone out of the state, been in Florida. Of course, people have that happen anyway.
Yeah.
When they're on vacation. True. But I mean, I'll be like, I'll hear my name and I'll be like, I'll just ignore it sometimes because I'm like, no, that's not me. Sometimes you want to be inconspicuous.
Yes, sometimes you do.
But this is the funny thing with these videos and you and I doing them is people are recognizing us now.
I know.
Where we go, like when I was at Country Bumpkins last weekend, I went twice. I went Friday and Saturday.
Yep.
And both days, we like, Cousin Mel. Are you Cousin Mel?
Cousin
like,
Mel.
Yeah.
See, now you got to watch what you wear.
I do. Well, now that's why I apologize. I knew you were going to pull the camera out today, and I'm working, so this is working mode now. So this is as good as it gets.
I'm wearing these, like pants with you can see my butt, and I was on my way here, and I'm like, this probably isn't.
Yeah, but
good.
you got in here in time to get what you need, so
people didn't
your
see
day.
me. Yes. So here's my question: when are we going to do your home tour?
Anytime you want.
You're all set up and ready?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for one more pillow from Shannon.
Oh, one more pillow.
But I think it's coming today or tomorrow.
Okay.
So next week if you want to.
Okay.
Or
let's try it. Yes.
Probably next week because then the next week is Thanksgiving and it's busy the Thanksgiving week.
That's true.
And then we're into Christmas, so we want to jump the gun here.
Well, and we want people to get inspired by your decor in case they're not decorated yet.
Right, exactly.
So that's why we're hitting
that's
it
what's neat is to read like the comments that people make, and I don't respond to comments just because I'm just too lazy to do it. So I apologize for any comments people write. I love you all, and I just.
But she reads them.
I read them. I do read them,
yeah.
And it's interesting to see. Like some people have said, I've had a rough time, somebody's passed away, or I've been having trouble with this or that. And this just, Anne's videos, Anne's channel has inspired people, which is awesome. It's just, you think decorating, it's just a hobby. It's just, but for some of us, it's really huge.
Well, it's a really good stress relief. I mean, I know that this year dealing with the anniversary of my sister and her birthday coming up tomorrow. Yeah. I've been decorating. Yeah. Like that's what I'm putting everything into the decorating because it keeps my mind off.
Well, you did that after she passed away too.
I did.
Because you really made your home really cozy, and you did that family room with all the blankets and the couchy things and everything, and and that's how we deal. Everybody deals differently. I mean, we could. I mean, I guess we could do a lot worse things in dealing with things than decorating.
Oh, I think so.
I mean, we could resort to other things that don't help you.
We could.
I mean, the only thing that decorating isn't good for is spending the money.
Well, there's that. But if you have the money, then who cares?
Well,
if you don't have the money, it's a little problematic. But we don't even have to go into that.
No,
there are ways to do it cheap.
Yeah, like me, Primitive Goods. I clean jeans bathrooms. I haven't gotten one paycheck all year. I went in, I have little slips of paper that I put all the little tags on the stuff I get when I go there. So we had the deal. I've been there for 2 or 3 years. And she's like, if you clean and you get something, you just work it off.
Right.
So we barter. I haven't got one paycheck. It's almost December. And I just gave her my slip the other day. And I'm like, this year I'm not getting a paycheck at all because I found some other things in there the other day, and I'm like, okay, now I get 0 paycheck from you, which we laugh about. The minute I walk in with my long slip of paper, she just looks at me and she shakes her head. I'm like, I know.
And yet now you're going in there and getting more.
Well, I was going to go in there to see you. But
you were going to go in there to see me.
But I'll go in there and see what she has.
Yeah.
I might not get anything.
I hear that you liked that rugged chick snowman the other day. I know.
Oh, I did.
Aren't they? I know.
I'd be working 2 months to pay for that snowman. I figured it out because I'm like, she had 2. So she's like, oh, I want, maybe if they don't, I'll sell, I'll get to keep one. I'm like, well, I said, I'm going to buy one. So she told me the price. I'm like, that's a little out of my price range.
Yeah, those are very popular.
Beautiful.
I mean, that's the same company that makes those bunnies that, I have in my witches.
Yes.
I mean, they have really doubled in price in the last few years because they've become, people go to those trade shows. Yes. Yeah. And they storm them like crazy.
Yep.
So,
well, it's like when I worked at Yankee Candle. I used to work at Yankee Candle, and they used to do the Boney Crew or whatever it was every, Halloween. They had these bony kind of creature, you know, Halloween-y creature things. But they had all different accessories that would go with them.
Right.
And people would buy them. And
Yeah.
I just thought they were the creepiest, kind of ugliest things.
Yeah.
But if you like them, you like them. I mean, I like stuff that people look at and go, that's stupid or that's ugly, but I like it. You like what you like. But, I mean, yeah, the Bony Bones crew or something.
Okay.
And people would come in and they'd, like, buy all of them.
Wow.
And it was like, oh, I just didn't know they were that popular.
Wow.
But, you know.
Well, see, it's all trendy.
Yeah.
But guys, Cousin Mel loves you.
I do. I'm sorry. I don't comment. I read them. I see them. But I just... There's too many of them for me. And I use my phone. So it's like, you know, if I was on the computer or whatever, but I mean, when I'm on my phone, it's kind of like, and I text terribly. Ask Ann, she'll tell you.
Yeah,
I
no,
mean,
that's true.
Very illiterate at texting.
That's really true. She looks like she doesn't know English when she texts.
I do. I'm always in a hurry, so it's always quick and wrong, and then I'm like, oops.
Yeah, it's okay. I do that too. I've got some words I always misspell.
Exactly.
But
well, I should go in.
Good
to see you guys. We'll see you next week.